Alright guys, we're at Fort San Pedro. Fort San Pedro. Of Cebu. That's San Pedro in the past. It used to look like this, made out of wood. Okay, so we gotta go here.
Just look like Intramuros.
Intramuros, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, go inside. Ooh, it's so nice. Look at this over here. Oh wow. Just want to touch it. So nice in here. See what else they have. You got people over there playing some music. The little gift shop over here. I guess we go check it out. Hand woven baskets here. Bags, hats.
Hey sir, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome to Cebu po.
You got the shells here.
Yes, we have Oslo, then we also have Malboal, the sea turtle.
This is made out of coconut shell right here. And let's see. Oh, here's some beads. Very nice beads here. Huh?
You see, we buy it 150 over there.
It's, yeah.
100
here.
It's only 15 pesos here.
Yeah, these some beads made out of shells and some other things. This is probably made out of coconut shell. Nice. I don't know if these are real pearls. It could be, but they look like it. Oh, cool.
Halliburton.
Look at this, guys. He has this on the side. Look at this. He just has it sitting on the side. It needs restored because you see there's a little bit mold on it. Yeah. Some type of, oh, it's a wishing well. How do you get inside here? Candles.
See, this is the puso. Look at that. It's okay.
That's how they make it. How they use the different cloths to make different things.
Look.
Where? Oh yeah. Yes.
Look. Come here. Mommy. Look like our eyes. Zed, come here. Dali, dali. Wait. Yes, no.
Ooh,
Diba?
very nice tree. Calachuchi. My wife loves that tree.
Daddy, you stand over there, the kalachichi.
Oh,
Daddy?
so that's the lookout tower. And on the other side is a small thin hole, or it could be long ways, or it could be up and down. And that's how they protect the whole fort. Someone's coming, they shoot through there. This is closed off right now because there's a lot of water over here. Look at this, guys. So if you look around the Philippines, the Spanish made forts like this all over the Philippines.
Lowering shit. The other one. Ay, natagap akong pala si anak.
Alright guys, we're gonna keep walking. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. This is a yellow version of that tree right there. Very nice.
There's a pagtakyan na. Ay, ana sa una, oh. Daddy.
What is that?
I don't know, but when I was little, I used to play with this.
What's the bottom look like? Oh, okay.
That's there.
I'm assuming there was lookout ports over here somewhere. They probably covered it up. I don't know why, but this one doesn't have one. Look like all the plants are over there that they bring into the facility or to the fort. Okay, let's get a closer look at this fort. This is one of them that has the ports. You see that? So they had these stands here, and they have like these lookout holes. Okay, let's go. Of course, that wasn't here. Maybe, I don't know. It's possible. But yeah. Oh, look at this red one. Calatucci. Red. Okay, guys, we're gonna. This is not like a huge fort, but it's walkable. I mean, it'd probably take you like, I don't know, 10 minutes to go around the whole fort on the top. See what's in here. Some art, history. If you guys want to read this, just pause it. Let's go around this way. Look, it had sharp pillars on it back then. This one was made out of wood, I'm assuming. You guys can pause this video anytime, okay? If you want to read some of this stuff. It is hot in here.
Nice bow. 1, 2, 3.
This place is interesting. Okay, so I think we're about done. Very nice. Very nice place. Oof, it is hot today. Oh, something's up here. I think I will go up here as soon as this guy comes down. This gate is open here. I think it's more just a lookout area. I'm gonna go up here and check it out. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's just a platform. They made this, got ceramic tiles on it. Just a viewpoint. on top of this building, this the rooftop. Very nice. We wish, and on the count of 3. 1. Okay, so we're going to the restroom before we leave. Comfort room, if you come inside is to your, well, if you come inside this way, from there is to your left. So you turn left, CR, right here. The sinks are out here. Restrooms are there, CR. And we're gonna go get something to eat first, and then off to our next destination.